Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and continuing with the series of AI tools review and tutorials. Today we are going to discuss the AI tool called Perplexity. So before I can proceed with the details and through the step-by-step tutorial, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So on this note, let's move ahead and understand the functioning of Perplexity.ai. Now, to sum you up, I'm going to show you how it works. But if you try to give you an answer to what exactly it is like you ask this particular chatbot anything. So it's a combination of ChatGPT and Google both. So let's try how it works. So there is a ask anything. So when I click over here, it gives me prompts. So unlike ChatGPT, wherein you need to put in the prompt, here it's sort of showing you what sort of prompts you can put. Okay, so I will click over here. How? Let's put a prompt. How to make a Telegram bot, and I hit enter. So when I do this, you can see it generates the answer. So here it's given around 4-5 steps, and along with that it gives you related. So this is a kind of let's go to Google and use the same prompt. uh, how to create a Telegram bot. So you see Google also gives you steps and links along with links to videos and related searches. So what it's doing over here is also a similar thing. It's giving you the answer related searches. You can see related searches same over here, but the thing is this is how it is similar to Google. Now if you try to compare the same with ChatGPT would give you a complete answer over here. ChatGPT doesn't give you the source. And if you've tried enough, you know that ChatGPT has a limitation until 2021. So post 2021, it doesn't have the data as of now. So the advantage over this is this can pull in data from recent thing too, and everywhere you can see these numbers. These are basically links or source from where it has picked it up. Now if I click on any one over here, let's try and see here. So it's going to open that particular link, building your first Telegram bot. So from where it has picked it up. So there is both an advantage and a disadvantage of the same. The advantage over here is, unlike ChatGPT, which sometimes makes up and cooks up stories, yes you can, because you try to ask for a review like prompt like some bullshit name and try to ask ChatGPT for a review. It's going to give you a wonderful review of a product which doesn't even exist. So ChatGPT can fudge the content for you, but in this case you are getting reliable links to cross check what data is coming is correct or not. So that is the advantage. The disadvantage is much when it is linking this content. What it is doing is it is assorting these steps and picking up tit by tit, bit by bit content from different sources. So what I could identify at some places, it is literally copying the content word by word. So if you are going to use this somewhere to create your own content, then possibility of duplicating or plagiarism could arise. So you can see over here that quick search, how to create a Telegram bot, how to create. Now it's showing YouTube link also. So just like Google, it's giving you links over here, and like ChatGPT, it's giving you answers, but along with that it's giving you source also. But as I mentioned, it can copy word by word over here and get you in a soup, especially when things are copyrighted over here. Okay, so you have to be very much aware over here. So then you have the options over here. You can flag it off if it is not accurate. You can view the sources entirely. You can copy this clipboard, or you can edit your query. Then post that, you can just copy this link, share it across. So if you want uh, to share it across with some friends or someone else. So basically, according to me, Perplexity AI here is trying to be a bit of a Google as well as a chat GPT, but the combination, although it sticks out, I couldn't find it like impressive as a chat GPT, like to summarize. Although it's summarizing, it's picking up one answer from here, one answer from there, here and there, and it tries to overcome the shortcomings of ChatGPT and Google both. But unfortunately, I would still prefer Google for its strengths and ChatGPT for its strengths. So maybe some more polishing is required over here. So that's my own review about this particular AI tool. I would be glad to know your views. What do you feel about this particular AI tool? Does it give better results than Google and ChatGPT combined, or you would be given a chance, you would use Perplexity instead of Google and ChatGPT? Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do like this video, do share this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.